Hello friends, in this series of videos, we will learn different aspects of parameters in DataNote. This is the part 1 where we will understand what are parameters and also we will see an example. Let's begin. First, log in to your admin account. Navigate to master and click on parameter. Now here we have a ton of parameters, each for a specific form. All these parameters are arranged in alphabetical order. For example, let's go to account master and click on add new button. If you want to know how to create a new ledger or party using account master, we have made a separate video. You can find the video link in the description box below. Now, as you can see here, we have account type field. This field can be configured from parameters. Navigate to master, parameter, parameter A and click on account type. You can see we already have few account types defined here. To add new, click on add new button from the top right corner. Enter the relevant name and description. You can use same name in both the fields. However, you can give a short description if you like. Then click on save to add the new account type. Now, before you can use this record, make sure you approve it. Now, if we go to account master and add a new entry, you can see the new record has been added. Now, this was just an example of what and how we can define parameters in DataNote. We also have a few special parameters which we have covered in separate videos. You can find the link to the relevant parameters and its playlist in the description box below.